Hello children, so welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss how we express a very small number in standard form. We know that we can also call this standard form as scientific notation. So let's define what is standard form. Any number written as in the form of m into 10 raised to power n is said to be standard form, but there is a condition. What is that condition? That this m must be a decimal number and this m is lie between 1 to 10. And what about this exponent n? So this n can be a negative or positive integer. So let's see with an example that how we express a very small number in the form of standard form. So let's see. Suppose I am taking a number like 0.0072. So this is a very small number. So let's represent this number in standard form. So for representing this type of number in standard form, first thing what we are going to do, we are going to convert this decimal number in the form of fraction. So to converting any decimal number in the form of fraction, we know that what we are going to do, we are going to multiply with the number with 0. How many 0? The number of digits before we have decimal. So here we have decimal before 1 2 3 4. So we are going to multiply 1 with 4 0. Okay, and of course we know that if we multiply any number with any number, so we have to divide with the same number also. So here we multiply with 10,000, so of course we have to multiply with 10,000 also. So after that, this is how we convert any decimal number in fraction number. So what we get when we multiply this 10,000 with this decimal number, we get 72 only. Divided by, what we going to write? Divided by, we have 10,000. Now we can write this 10,000 as what? We can write this 10,000 as 10 to power 1 2 3 4, 10 to power 4. Now that thing we already know, but here what we can say, our standard form is in the form of m into 10 raised to power m. So what we going to do, we can write this as 72 into 1 by 10 to power 4 can be write as 10 to power minus 4, because we know our law of exponent that a to power minus m is equal to 1 by a to power m. So by using this, we can write this 1 by 10 to power 4 as 10 to power minus 4. But this is not a standard form, because in standard form this m must be a decimal number and this is lie between 1 to 10. But here we have 72. 72 is not a decimal number and of course it is not between 1 to 10. So how we can make this in between 1 to 10? So of course we can write this 72 as 7.2. okay, because we put decimal before one number, so of course we have to write here, we're going to multiply this number with 1 0, and after that we have 10 to power minus 4. okay, so we convert this 72 as 7.2 into 10. We add this point by ourselves to manage this. We multiply this with 10 because we put decimal before one number, so that's why I'm taking here 1 0 only. If I putting the decimal before two numbers, so we have to multiply with 2 0. So this is how we will do. Now we have what? It is 7.2. 10 raised to power have nothing means 1 and into 10 raised to power minus 4. When we know if we multiply numbers with same base, then power is going to be add with each other. So what we get? 7.2, 10 raised to power is added, so 1 plus minus 4. So what we get? It is 7.2 10 raised to power 1 plus minus 4. This plus and minus become minus. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we can represent 0.0072 as 7.2 into 10 to power minus 3. Now this is in the form of this, and this is the standard form. So this is how we're going to convert any small number in standard form. First thing what we have to do, we're going to convert the decimal number in the in the fraction. So first we're going to convert that we already know how we convert a decimal number in fraction, that we know from class 6 only. So first we convert this in standard form, after that fraction. So after that we have to convert this in standard form. So standard form, that we have to make this number between 1 to 10. So that's why I'm make this 72 as 7.2, so that I multiply this with 10, and after that we add this exponents and we get the final result. I'm going to explain with another example. Suppose I'm taking another small number. Suppose I'm taking another small number like this, 0.00016. So this is any number. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to convert this number, decimal number, in the fractions. So let's do. So how we're going to multiply with what? It is 1, and how many 0? Before number of digit we have decimal. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have decimal before 6 digits. So we're going to multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Okay, now if we multiply with this number, so we have to divide also. So I'm going to divide with 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that what we get after multiplication, of course this decimal is going to be removed. So we get 16 divided by, we have this number. So we can write this 10 to power what exponent become equal to number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 10 to power 6. Okay, now we can write this 10 to power 6 as 16 into 10 to power minus 6 by the help of this law, that a to power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to power m. So but now this is not in standard form. This is 16 and it is not a decimal number, and of course 16 is not between 1 and 10. So let's convert this 16 in decimal number. So how we can do? We can write this 16 as 1 by 6. So if we put this decimal, so what we have to do? I have to multiply with 10. So now this 16 can be write as 1.6 into 10. This is same 16. Okay, then we have into 10 to power raised to power minus 16. Now let's simplify. It is 1.16. Both are having same base, 10, 10. So into 10, and after multiplication we know that power is going to be added. So here we have nothing, means 1 plus minus 6. So it is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power 1 minus 6, and that is plus minus become minus, that is equal to 1.6. 10 to power 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So this is the standard form or scientific notation for the number 0.000016. So this is the proper step to convert any small number in standard form. So that's all for today. Thank you.